Myself, Mayura, and I am living in Udaipur from long time. Obviously, I'm born and brought up in Udaipur itself, and I have a very small family, 5 members, which we are very much all of us very talkative and eat a lot good food. That's what I brief about my family. I have been working. Basically, I'll tell you about my career, how it went. I graduated into the commerce background only, and I've opted for management course, which I've opted to BBM, and then I opted to MBA, which I've always thought it's like my dream. I've thought about, and what I've dreamt also about, it's about the manager position always, which I've always like dreamt about. So the career started when I completed my MBA, and I went to a very small company, which was a consultancy firm basically. They used to have their clients related to pharmacy and all small clients relatively. And I've worked like a year over there, and then I've learned that I need to grow somewhere else also. For that extent, I have opted to one of the leading IT firm of the organization, which is in Udaipur itself, and we are good. When I joined this organization, the best part was that I have seen the number of employees was like 500, 700, and we used to work like on the paperwork and all kind of stuff was there when I joined over here. And it's being a good long time. I've seen like a huge growth with the company. Now we are like 2000 of employees working together, and I feel proud enough because I've seen myself more confident working throughout this career. So though I'm lacking right now with one thing which I've always dreamed of manager, which I will grow because manager need a good experience and many more skills which I'm right now lacking, but I'm learning as well. So that how went my career with the HR professionalism. I barely recall my hard times because I have my great good father whom I've always like followed, inspired him. There were times in my studies where I always lagged. I mean, I'm bad in studies. I don't like my studies or my education factor. But yeah, because I belong to a business family, so I've always seen him growing from a small to barely coming to medium level, then to average level, then we are going at the point of peak also, again we are coming down. So I believe there is some point where do you grow, where do you learn a lot, where do you fall also sometimes. So I've seen the same barrier in my education. So that was the only struggle part in my life because I have such a good father. He have never ever मेल्ट मी कि नहीं ये चीज़ कम रह गई है हमारी लाइफ में या हमें किसी चीज़ की कमी है. He have like always given everything like, so it's like my turn to give him everything whatever he wants now. So I'm trying my best. I have always, as I said earlier also, it's my father only and it's my mother again, because it has always been said na, for every man like there is a woman behind. So I believe actually this quote is being framed very truly and very correctly, because I see my mother have always supported my father, though my father have always supported my mother. So I see an equal balance between both of them, and I love the way they both work through household or through business, through our bad times, through our good times, through our childhood, and now still as we are grown ups, so how they are handling us. So I believe I have loved the way they are balancing, and I would be lucky enough to take it forward in my life. And I inspire my father and mother like a lot in my life. I don't think so nobody else can replace them. So they are the best person. And also, if I'll quote into today's youth way, that how a person should be inspired, everyone should be the independent person in today's generation. He should be a self-made man or woman. That is the most important thing I have learned in my whole life. As HR professionalism, as I've said earlier also, it was my dream always from my graduation times. Many people ask me also through my Insta or through maybe any of the social codes. So they ask me how, if I want to go through, how will I choose the path? I mean, I always say go with some of a kind of like consultancy firm, because they will give you many calls and opportunities in any kind of small firms and clients and all, so you learn dealing part. Then a very important part in HR professionalism I have learned is the confidence is the main major factor. Then you also need to be very patient enough to answer to the employee or their grievances, how you handle. That is the most important. And to be very interactive, first of all, is the major key point. If you're less interactive, it will show less confidence in you, and then it will be a lack of ability that you won't be able to interact with any of your manager or maybe employees or all these things. So confidence, and the second most is interaction, and the patience is like a key point again. So that's what I believe HR manager should possess. It's a very different the designation itself say he's a manager, so he have to manage everyone, again his juniors, and he have to report to the management teams. All I see in a person as a manager, whole and soul, he have to take his family together. Either could be professional way or either could be the family way. If a person is good enough to carry his family together, he will carry the organization and treat his company as his family, and the way he will take forward to his like the subordinates or the juniors one. And then the same, the if they are facing any kind of like you can say like कोई दिक्कत आ गई उनको काम में, वही वो मैनेजर होगा मे बी द लीडिंग थिंग, that he will help you if you are like somewhat someday negative with the thoughts that I can't work or I don't have that skill of working and all that kind of thing. He will be the person who will give you that positive thought of working, that calmness of working. I believe that what I see in a manager person also, and I've seen so far with all my seniors, so that what I've learned, so that what I possess. I grew up in Udaipur. That's my born and brought up place. Udaipur is such a beautiful place. I mean, I have everywhere a memory. Every single place is my memory. Whenever my sister comes from her, wherever she works actually, so she comes to hometown. We go, we eat a lot. As I said, I'm a very foodie person. So I'm a happy living mode person. And the best childhood part would be I have beaten up my brother and sister a lot. Yeah, that what you do when you're a big sister. In my career, education matters obviously, because once you'll not get educated, then you won't get that thing of moving on. So education is must. Each and every person should at least take the graduation wala funda should be cleared, and then for me like experience matter, because experience से ही सबको सीखने को मिलता है. आप एक दिन में कुछ भी नहीं सीख जाते वाला point है. So I believe slowly, gradually you learn things, and that's what I have learned. It's been like 6 years in my career of HR, so that how I've grown, and I'm still growing, and I'm loving that I'm growing. I mean, slowly like the rabbit wala funda. So education is important, but experience matters. And with all your skills, you have to be like multitasker at a time. When you reach at like with the experience of 6 years or 7 years, it is necessary. You have to be a multitasker with a lot of good skills, good communication and all these things. So education and experience both are equally important. I do in my fun time or my spare time, I'll say, whenever we wait for Sunday. I'm a very workaholic person. My father always say, it's your company only, that's why you're working so hard. And I tell him, actually, I work it. So when I work it, then I earn it basically. So I earn it, then I spend it on my food holic and my traveling thing. But also sometimes in my spare time, I love reading books. I'm like more interested in reading into fundas, or either sometimes into articles, and then going out with my sister and friends. I love that. Traveling with my mom, dad too, wherever they are interested, I definitely go with them. I don't say कि नहीं जाना मेरे को, but I go, I make them happy. That what is my whole motto in my life, to make everyone happy. So I do that majorly. That is my fun time thing. And in this situation I've also learned. I have lacked with my old skills of drawing, which I have recently covered up. So I've started sketching and drawing kind of stuff. Reading I've again started. So that's the best part I do in my fun time. So I would actually love to go to back to the time machine if I'll get the chance. There was a time when one of a lady told me that Mayura, you have a great personality, and you speak well, you communicate well, you have a good eye contact and all kind of stuff. She said, but that was basically I went to her and she did not. That was not meant for me. Actually, I wanted that thing for my friend, but she told me that you have a capability to become a good air hostess. So I was having that good height personality at that time. I know it's a kind of minus point right now, but I believe if I could have like got that chance, I will go back and I'll achieve that point and I'll be there somewhere in the Jet Airways or something. I would love to do it. So that's all, friends. I hope you have loved whatever I've shared, my personal experience and my every feeling that basically I've shared. So if you loved it, please like it and follow WorkMom. So also, if like you also have some kind of great stories, moreover similar or moreover something interesting which everyone would love to learn, and I would suggest please follow us or come and share it with the videos, or you can just follow the work mob so you can share your stories with us and enjoy Instagrams. One last thing, मतलब एक last line I'll say, in whole of this experience I've learned like बहुत लोग आते हैं जो आपको गलत चीज़ों पे neglect करते हैं, negative बोलते हैं. आपको उन चीज़ों को लेके ज़रूर चलना है, but उनसे हमको सीखने को मिलता है. So what I have learned so far is always be positive enough that you can handle all the negativity or aura that you feel like कि हमारे आसपास में सब बुरे लोग हैं, हमारे बारे में बुरा सोचते हैं and all that. I used to also get those comments, but what I have overcome is that by having good talks, by always having the positive mind thought and listening a lot of music which makes me happy. So I believe everyone should have that positive thought process with them. Thank you.